What's going on, everybody? Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, and today I've got a new F150 giveaway build for you guys, but it might not be the truck you're expecting. So if you recall, earlier this year, we bought a new 2021 F150, brought it home from Texas. We did a full road trip review on that, so you guys can check that video out if you haven't seen it yet. But at the end of that video, I said that we were going to be building that truck out and giving it away, and unfortunately, things didn't pull through the way that we thought. With those trucks being a little bit newer platform, a lot of the parts that we were hoping to get from our sponsors didn't really make it into full production or are still being tested, and some of the stuff isn't available on the market yet, so there was a lot of pieces that we weren't able to get that we initially had planned on, and we didn't want to give away a plain Jane bone stock F150, so we're putting that build aside for now, and we got a replacement truck that I think is going to fill its boots pretty nicely. What I have behind me here is a 2020 Lariat FX4 package truck in agate black, and this thing is loaded. As you'd expect of the Lariat package, it's got full leather interior with the heated and cooled seats. It's got the moonroof, spray and bed liner. We went ahead and ran with another 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6. And then we have a whole slew of parts that our sponsors were able to pull through with to build this thing out to make a really good weekend warrior type of build for you guys. So if you take a look at this huge pile of parts next to me, you can get an idea of where this build's gonna go. We've got a full set of Nitto Terra Grappler tires. We've got Fuel's Nitro 6 wheels in bronze. Then we got some Stage Series lighting from Dial Dynamics, full set of Bilstein suspension, an Air-Aid cold air intake for under the hood. And then what you aren't seeing here that we still have piled up in the warehouse is a Hellwig rear sway bar. And we also got some Bushwhacker paint matched fender flares on this to kind of widen that stance up with the new wheel and tire package. And we also have a set of new headlights from Morimoto. So this truck is going to look completely different by the time we're done with it. Once we've got all these parts pieced together on the truck, I think we're going to have a really solid weekend warrior type rig on our hands. This thing should easily get you out on the trails, get you back to your favorite campsite, or haul you back and forth to work and haul the kids back and forth to school if you need it to. Which all of that's well and good, but I'm sure you're wondering, how do I get signed up to win this truck? And if you've done any of our previous giveaways in the past, it's going to be a very similar process. So you're going to want to head down in the description below. We'll have a link that's going to shoot you over to our website. And once you get there, you'll kind of follow the steps on that page. But essentially, you'll just need to enter in your email and some basic information to get signed up. And then you can actually boost the amount of entries that you have and boost your chances of winning by completing a couple other small tasks, which are typically things like subscribing to our YouTube channel here or following us on Instagram and whatever else. So make sure you read through that page, try and get yourself signed up and get your chances as high as you possibly can. And with that being said, I'll leave you guys to it. I hope you're excited for this build. Definitely drop a comment. Let us know what you think and what parts you're most excited for, and I will see you guys next time.